Hello friends, welcome back to another new video. Aji mon banao baby socks 0 to 3 months laka banai size any size banao pare. Color also you can use any color you like, okay? Yadi valoina ending duck double crochet banai. It's very easy. I make this video especially for beginners. So friends, please video skip no korna side way. Warm thakibo, comfortable thakibo. 3.5 mm hook use krise and starting the magic ring banawo inaga. Magic ring banaina chain banawo. Magic ring ina banawo. Chain 3 banawo starting the. This chain 3 count as 1 double crochet. 12 double crochet banawa under same ring. Three double crochet. Twelve double crochet banawa. 4 5 6 12 double crochet complete ho pichidi. Itu ring tight kuri dibo. Tight kuri dia pichidi na circle allow. Chain bana third chain yadi close kuri dibo like this. Slip stitch bana hoise. Slip stitch close kuri dibo. For second row chain 3 banao. Friends, every stitch di second row di mohan increase kuro. Every stitch di 2 double crochet banai jao. 2 double crochet each in every stitch. So at the end of second row, total 24 double crochet ho. First round di mohan 12 banai she. So each stitch di double crochet 2 double crochet banai jai shikle. At the end of second row, 24 double crochet ho. 2 double crochet in same stitch. Ina banao. Next be 2 double crochet banao same stitch di. Like this. Naga banai jawo every stitch di. 30 be 2 double crochet banao. 1 banai she. 1 more double crochet. Nega every stitch di banai jawo. Last di chain stitch di 1 double crochet banawo. As I said, it chain it will be 1 double crochet count kuro. So chain stitch di 1 double crochet banai se here. Then third chain di close kuri dibo. Friends, apne size itu a lot bigger banai sikle you can increase third row di increase grow pare, but as I said moi 0 to 3 months laka banai si, so imatangle increase grow third line di increase no grow we do a lot tangor banai sikle increase grow pare. Yadi 1 double crochet, second di 2 double crochet, yadi 1 aro 42 double crochet inaga banai na third row dibi increase grow pare. Lebi moi increase nukure moi 0 to 3 months laka banai se, so second row take increase grow. Third day 24 double crochet banawo. 1 double crochet each in every stitch banai se moi. Every stitch 1 double crochet banai jao. At the end of third row 24 double crochet hobo. Increase nukure. At the end of third row, close kuri dibo. Chain 3 for fourth row. Third row complete wa pichidi shape to inaga aiwo. 24 double crochet banai na 8 rows tak banao. 3 rows already banaishe, so again 5 rows banao, 24 double crochet banao. Increase nu grow 24 double crochet banai na 8 rows banao. Eight rows complete hoise. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 rows banaishe. Last double crochet banao. Third chain di close kori dio. Slip stitch banaise. Cut off the yarn. 8 rows complete ho pichiti na dikhibo shape do. Total 24 double crochet banaishe. Next 24 divided by 2 koribo, fold koribo mohan. Fold kori na 24 double crochet divided by 2 koribo, 12 double crochet hobo. So red yarn use koribo moi sole side di sole part banaise. 12 double crochet banao. Friends, same yarn be use koribo pari, but I'm using yarn red. Join kori dio. Chain 3. Then double crochet. Double crochet banao. Join do so side degree jese. Double crochet banaise. 2 4 6 8 10 12 double crochet banaise. For second row chain 3 banao and turn. Second row with 12 double crochet banao. Then third row stuck banao. Second row complete ho pichidi arbi chain 3 korna turn koro, and then third row ayo same process to follow koro. Third row stuck banao. Last double crochet. Third rows complete ho pichidi na ho ina dikhibo. Complete ho pichidi na fold koro. Cut the yarn. Then opposite side pra silai dibo. Join korna silai dibo here back side de. Needle be use koro pari friends. Maybe I'm using hook to silai dibo ina. Silai dia bachi ina dikhibo. Ina dikhibo. front side 12 left crochet, and then back 12 12 divide korina banaise. So total 24 or 24 double crochet banabo mohan. It 12 itu right itu side half party 12 divide crochet 12 so yedi join kori dibo. Double crochet banabo front side de. Double crochet banaise. Robi continue kuro. Yedi loina yedi 12 banaise robi 12 banabo. Continue kuro 12. Back side 12 double crochet banaise robi. One. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and here last join 12 total 24 double crochet banaise এটি ক্লোজ কৰি দিব cross row complete হোৱাৰ পিছত ইনা দেখিব total 24 double crochet banaise কবি chain 3 for second row chain 3 loina second row dibi 24 double crochet same process to follow karo 24 double crochet banai ase double crochet third chain di close kori dibo slip stitch second row complete hoba chiti na dekhibo friends so row 2 banaise aro bi 2 banai na 4 rows banabo rows banaise again two more rows banabo 4 rows complete hoina close kori dibo friends arobi extra rows banabo pari libi moi 0 to 3 months laga banaisi so moi row 4 rows hi banaina complete kori dibo next day border line banai dibo red yarn use korese same yarn use koro pari libi I'm using red chain kro chain 3 chain 3 banaina double crochet banao 24 double crochet banao chain stitch di close kori dibo make chain 3 for second row border banaise so first di front loop double crochet banao front loop double crochet like this next di back loop back side dilo back loop double crochet border line banaise so first di front loop double crochet banao second di back loop double crochet naka banai na border line complete kori dibo third di front loise front loop double crochet banao like this next di back loop double crochet back ina banai na border line complete kori dibo last ekta bachi di front loop double crochet banao close kori dibo yadi complete kori dibo cut the yarn extra yarn na hide kori dibo na hide kori dibo complete look to ina dikhibo pair bhi banai na ase it's very easy so try to make it for a little one so friends itu la video ra alop pole bhi help paise bole please video ke like koribi share koribi and please don't forget to subscribe the channel next video de look ro till then bye bye take care